GM guys, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you on how to open a Dcomm wallet. Firstly, you have to look for your wallet browser. So I'm using Safari. Now we'll click on Safari, then we'll search for wallet.dcomm.network. So that is the official website for the wallet. So when you click on that, now it brings it out. You have Dcomm Wallet is a simple, secure, non-custodial wallet for storing your Dcomm assets. So now we have the assets wallet, which is for people who have a wallet before, but we want to open a new wallet. So let's try how to new to Dcomm wallet. Now we open a new wallet, you generate your phrase key. Now please make sure you write them down. So write them down. We'll start with vicious, glide, logic, hybrid, much, receive, light, drill, correct, man, secret, profit, nerve, plug, piece, call, asset, enroll, squeeze, steal, fill, shuffle, home, maximum, and that's all. So now you can also copy to your clipboard and you save as your PDF so you can meet it next time. Then you click on here, it says I understand that it is my responsibility to write down my key phrase at a safe space. Now you click on that. When clicking on that, that means you have finally gotten all your phrase key written down for future purpose. Now you click on the next, it will tell you to confirm your phrase key. So from our last post, we can see that the phrase key here was correct. So we type in your correct. The next one, we had secret. So you type in your secret. So the following one, we had profit. Please make sure they are all written in lowercase, not uppercase. Because of if it is written in uppercase, it will be negligible. It will not be accessed. So now we have enroll, and the next one we have steal, and that's the final one. And you click on verify. So when you click on verify, it tells you to open your wallet using your password. And you have the SMC tutors. And what's your password? Let's create our own password. Let's use SMC tutors. Please make sure your password is consisting of an uppercase, a lowercase, a number, and also a special character. You can see what we are using here is still showing red, that we should make it one uppercase and at least one number, one lowercase, and one uppercase. So we are changing it. Now you will see I'm adding a new, still showing the red. You can clearly see it is not yet complete. So then we're now going to add in a lowercase, and you can see it is verified now. Then the next one, we input back the password, the same password, is using the same password. You have the SMC tutors, and now it is, you click on the create wallet. It's on create wallet, and now here is your Dcomm wallet. It has been created for you. Now you have the AST,